I found the easiest way to earn $5 every 15 seconds, and that's by watching video. You think I'm joking? Well, let's start off first heading over to this website right here, which is a new one. As you can see, you can get paid every 15 seconds on this trusted and sustainable website. And there are a variety of videos available here that you can watch to make money. Later, I'll show you how to watch a short video like this one and earn money over again, just like all of these people who are earning decent amount of money on a daily basis with this website. And take note, you can earn money with this website not just by watching videos, but also through various ways. Crazy recommendation, just click the first link and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a beginner, but please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up, so if it's still available you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online anyways. Let's get back to the tutorial first. You may click and view ads and earn up to 3 cents per click. You can also win up to $1 on the clicks grid. And if you want, you can do offers and make money as well. But today's focus is watching videos because this will get us paid decently. As you can see here, you can watch YouTube videos and get paid for it. This is a pretty cool strategy. And at the end of this video, I'll show you something as a bonus. So make sure you keep watching. So step 1, I want you to go ahead and click on this register button right here, which will then take you to the registration page. You can register either on your mobile phone or on your computer. Now, just fill out the general information such as your full name, username, and your email address, and then just create a password. And for the second part, which is your payment account, just enter your payment details. So you can get paid through Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin, Skrill, Airtem, and PayPal. After that, click I'm not a robot and agree to their terms of service, and just click register. By the way, this website is called swingbucks.com. Now for the second step. Once you've logged into your account, you'll see here a variety of ads and videos that you can watch to earn money online. Right now, there are lots of companies here on this website, which means you have a lot of different options. But the number one problem that beginners encounter is that they don't know which company or which video they should watch and focus on to make the most amount of money. So for the first bonus tip, concentrate on micro ads because this category will get us paid the most amount of money in the shortest amount of time. It's because you'll earn money simply by watching 15-second video ads. As you can see on this one, after playing for 15 seconds, the video ad will be skipped to a normal YouTube video. So all you have to do now is keep watching and waiting for the next video ad to appear. And then just watch it for another 15 seconds, and so on and so forth. In that way, you'll be able to earn money over and over again. Now another bonus tip. You can actually turn off the volume of the video, as you can see here, by clicking this mute button. And by doing so, you can actually let the video playing in the background so you can focus doing other things. So this is a very powerful method where you can watch multiple videos on each different tab at the same time. Moreover, if you have an extra phone or computer, you can watch numerous videos on different devices. And take note, the more videos you watch, the higher the possibility you see ads. And the more ads you watch, the more money you'll earn. The best part is whenever you watch a video, you're guaranteed to see one ad at the beginning, which will give you a lot of guaranteed income. And when the video starts, you might find out about 2, 3, or even 4 ads from that same video, which will maximize your earning potential even more. Now I'm going to give you another bonus tip. Here in the clicks grid, every time you click on these small boxes, you have a chance to win up to $5. All you have to do now is choose whatever random box you want to click. For example, this box right here, which will open up a random website. Now all you have to do is stay on that page for 15 seconds. You won't have to do anything. So if you're lucky enough, you'll be able to win $5. Clicks grid is actually rather simple to play. Simply click anywhere on the image and you could win up to $5 straight into your account balance. Each click will open up a sponsor's site, which you must view for up to 15 seconds. Do nothing, and you could win up to $5. The cool part is that clicks will be reset every day. All of these boxes are going to refresh so you can click on them again. This is a fun and easy way to earn money with this website. Now the only downside to using this website is the fact that this alone might not be able to replace your day job, and that means you still need more side income. To solve that, watch this video right here to know how to get paid $3 for every 4 videos you watch.